Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate rice crispy treats. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 6 cups of crispy rice cereal, 10 ounces of mini marshmallows, and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Don't forget 1/2 cup of cocoa powder for that rich chocolate flavor, and a small pinch of salt to balance everything out. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. In a large saucepan, melt 1/4 cup of unsalted butter over low heat. Once melted, add your 10 ounces of mini marshmallows. Stir continuously until they are completely melted and smooth, creating a gooey base. Next, whisk in the 1/2 cup of cocoa powder and the pinch of salt until everything is fully incorporated and beautifully chocolatey. Be sure to remove the pan from the heat right after mixing. With your chocolate marshmallow mixture ready, it's time for the star ingredient. Gently fold in the 6 cups of crispy rice cereal. Make sure every single piece of cereal is evenly coated with that delicious chocolatey goodness. Once combined, press the mixture firmly and evenly into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking pan. A buttered spatula or a piece of wax paper can help you press it down without any sticky mess. This ensures a compact treat. Almost there. Now, let your chocolate rice crispy treats cool completely. This usually takes at least 30 minutes at room temperature, allowing them to set perfectly. Once cooled, cut them into 24 equal squares, making them easy to serve and share. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature to keep them fresh. Now, go ahead and enjoy your wonderfully delicious homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.